In a baseband communication link, frequencies up to 3500 Hz are used for signaling. Using a raised cosine pulse with 75% excess bandwidth and for no symbol interference, the maximum possible signaling rate in symbols per second is. The options are 1750, 2625, 4000, 5250. He has given for a baseband communication link, the maximum frequency is 3500 Hz and he is using a raised cosine pulse of excess bandwidth, that is beta equal to 0.75. For no intersymbol interference, he is asking what should be the symbol rate per second. Okay. For this, you should know this result. What is raised cosine? You should know previously itself. In a raised cosine, for a raised cosine pulse, the frequency plot is in this way. Let us say the raised cosine by r of t and its Fourier transform is r of j omega. Raised cosine, let me say. And what is raised cosine saying is r of j omega with respect to r of f I will draw with respect to the frequency. How does the raised cosine plot look? That is, this is 1 minus beta by 2 capital T, where beta is the roll-off factor and the ending point is 1 plus beta by 2 capital T. So what will be on the left side? Minus 1 minus beta by 2 capital T and minus of 1 plus beta by 2 capital T. Now what has he given? The baseband communication up to 3500 Hz are used for signaling. Means up to 3500 Hz the data is present. Means what? The raised cosine filter also should be of at least that much frequency components it should allow. Which means what? 1 plus beta by 2 capital T is equal to 3500. Why? Because 3500 Hz also will be generated. So the filter also should accommodate all these frequencies. And what is beta given? Excess bandwidth of 75%, which means beta equal to how much? 0.75. Beta is equal to 0.75 is to be used. Simplifying this, what do we have? 1 plus 0.75 by 2 capital T is equal to 3500. 1.75 by 2 capital T is equal to 3500. Therefore 1 by T, that is the symbol rate per second, 7000 by 1.75, which is equal to 4000 symbols per second. Therefore C is the correct option. In this question, you should know this result previously itself. The raised cosine pulse has this frequency response. Just remember this, 1 minus beta by 2 capital T, 1 plus beta by 2 capital T. This is the highest frequency component.